Voiceover, clinical, authoritative, warm. Are you a man over 40 battling persistent brain fog, a crushing fatigue that no amount of sleep seems to fix, and a metabolism that feels utterly stalled? You're not alone. Many of us dismiss these as inevitable signs of aging. But what if we told you there's a hidden cellular culprit, silently sabotaging your cognitive performance and energy levels? Here at NeuroWealth Analytics, our research reveals a profound connection between these debilitating symptoms and a condition often overlooked: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. It's not just about liver health, it's about the foundational health of our brain and our entire metabolic system. We've uncovered how this cellular imbalance in the liver directly impacts our mental clarity, our energy production, and our ability to maintain a healthy weight. Voiceover. Let's dive deeper. Our liver, a metabolic powerhouse, processes everything we consume. In NAFLD, our liver cells, or hepatocytes, become overwhelmed, accumulating excess fat. This isn't just passive storage, it triggers a cascade of cellular dysfunction. The mitochondria within these liver cells, our body's energy factories, become sluggish and inefficient, struggling to convert nutrients into usable energy. This leads to chronic, low-grade inflammation within the liver. This hepatic inflammation doesn't stay confined. Our research shows these inflammatory signals, known as cytokines, travel through the bloodstream. They can even breach the delicate blood-brain barrier, directly impacting our brain's cellular environment. Once in the brain, these cytokines disrupt neurotransmitter function and further impair mitochondrial health in our neurons. This is the biological mechanism behind that pervasive brain fog, the cognitive slowdown, and the profound fatigue you're experiencing. Simultaneously, an inflamed, fatty liver struggles to regulate blood sugar and metabolize fats efficiently, creating significant bottlenecks in our overall metabolism, making weight management feel like an uphill battle. Voiceover. The good news? This cellular dysfunction is not a life sentence. At NeuroWealth Analytics, we've dedicated our clinical research to developing advanced cellular reprogramming protocols. Our approach focuses on directly addressing the root cause within the liver cells. We target the mechanisms that lead to fat accumulation and mitochondrial dysfunction. Our protocols are designed to enhance the liver's natural ability to clear excess fat, reduce inflammation at the cellular level, and restore optimal mitochondrial function. By revitalizing our liver cells, we effectively reprogram them to become metabolic powerhouses once again. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about restoring fundamental cellular health. As our liver's metabolic efficiency improves, systemic inflammation subsides, allowing our brain cells to function optimally. We see remarkable improvements in cognitive clarity, a significant boost in sustained energy, and a recalibration of our overall metabolism, making it easier for us to achieve and maintain our ideal body composition. Voiceover. We believe our cellular health dictates our quality of life. If you're ready to clear the brain fog, reclaim your energy, and break through your metabolic stalling by addressing the hidden cellular cause, we have a clear path forward. To access our complete, unredacted clinical protocol and clear your metabolic bottlenecks, click the link in the pinned comment below.